Welcome back to 10 Slide Info Defense Update Series. In today's video, we would be running through three defense updates. First one is regarding Indian Air Force latest plan on Netra 2.0 Airborne Warning and Control System. The second update is regarding Indian Air Force second Rafale Squadron formation. The third one is regarding arrival of the Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk helicopters for Indian Navy. So let's begin with each update one by one and see them in a detailed manner. As per the latest update from Air Force of India, looks like they have plans to procure few additional Embraer EMB-145 platform for the DRDO's Netra 2.0 Airborne Early Warning and Control System. Indian Air Force already has 3 such platforms of Embraer in their fleet, but these additional ones are being procured for strengthening the Airborne Early Warning and Control System fleet. The platform for 145 which they are looking for might be ERJ-145XR, which is extra long range. This XR model was introduced by Embraer in 2020, and the reason why Indian Air Force should consider these aircrafts is because they have 2000 nautical miles range, which would boost the airborne early warning control system's range. Even though India has inducted the most powerful and combat-proven Rafale in its fleet, we need one of the best ways in detecting and tracking the enemy aircrafts and unmanned aerial vehicles. This is possible in an easier way with the help of airborne early warning and control system, so inducting more such systems is very vital for any air force. In addition to this, Indian Air Force would also be inducting 6 Airbus A330 platform-based airborne early warning and control system, and according to the plan of inducting 6 Airbus platforms, the initial step is to induct 2 A330 fitted with indigenous radar, and this is in the first phase, followed by 4 more additions in the future. So let's expect more updates from Indian Air Force on when they are planning to buy these Embraer EMB-145 planes so that DRDO can go ahead and install their air warning systems and test them. Even the exact count of such planes are yet to be revealed, so we need to just wait and watch. Now coming to the second update regarding the Rafale Squadron. As per the defense sources, number 101 Squadron of the Indian Air Force is all set to revived at Hasimara Air Force Station in West Bengal with 4 Rafale Omni Role fighters. Nearly a decade after this 101 Squadron was number plated, the Falcons were resurrected for this new batch of Rafale fighters. To be more precise, the Indian Air Force has raised the second Rafale Squadron, which is the 101 Falcons of Champ and Aknur, and the first Rafale Squadron is already at Ambala Air Base, which is called the Squadron 17 or Golden Arrows. So with Rafale, which can be equipped with advanced armaments like Scalp air-to-ground missiles, the Meteor air-to-air missiles, and other advanced missiles in collaboration with the Russian-origin Sukhoi Su-30MK fighters, India can tackle any type of threats from both China and Pakistan. So let's expect the remaining Rafales to arrive India at the earliest, and it helps in boosting the Indian Air Force strength. Coming to the third update from defense side, which is regarding the arrival of Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk helicopters. As mentioned in one of my earlier videos, it looks like the most awaited moment for Indian Navy is arriving soon, as India is very soon going to take delivery of the first set of 3 Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk helicopters out of 24 of them ordered. As per the defense sources, a team of 18 Navy personnel are already in United States for training on the MH-60R multi-role helicopters, and it looks like the training of the first batch of air crew and technical crew will commence at Florida and San Diego. Out of these 3 helicopters, 2 of them would be arriving to Indian Navy by July 2021, and the third one has been planned around 2021 end tentatively. According to the contract, the package includes the spare parts, the air-to-ground weapons, support and training of pilots and ground crew, and based on the defense sources, looks like Indian pilots are already getting trained in the United States, as I mentioned before. These Seahawk choppers would have the ability to carry Hellfire missiles, Mk-54 torpedoes, and precision kill rockets for potent anti-submarine warfare. So with all these setups and configurations, Indian Navy would be able to tackle any threats in the Indian Ocean region. So that was a quick video to provide an update on the latest 3 happenings on the defense side. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.